So for this problem, to find the domain and the range of irrational functions, then this time we're going to use the shortcut method. So from this given, to find the domain, so first we need to equate this denominator to 0. So we have 2x plus 7 equals 0. Then to solve for x, transpose this positive 7 to the other side. So this becomes 2x equals negative 7. Then divide both sides by 2. So we have x equals negative 7 over 2. So therefore the domain, so we have x, element of a real numbers such that x is not equal to negative 7 over 2, or all real numbers except x equals negative 7 over 2. Then to find the range, so we're going to use the shortcut method. So take note for the range, if the degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator, then the domain is the ratio of the numerical coefficient. So for this given, since the degree of the numerator is 1 and the degree of the denominator is 1, therefore these two are equal. Therefore the domain is the ratio of this numerical coefficient. So the range, so we have y, elements of the real number such that y is not equal to this positive 5 over 2, or all real numbers except y equals positive 5 over 2. Now for this given, to find the domain, so again, we need to equate this denominator to 0, then transpose, so we have 3x equals 5, then divide both sides by 3, therefore x equals positive 5 over 3. So the domain x, element of a real number such that x not equal to this number 5 over 3, or all real numbers except x equals positive 5 over 3. Now this time, for the range, so we're going to use the shortcut method. So if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, so this means that the degree of the denominator is bigger than the degree of the denominator. So observe from this given, since the degree of this denominator is 1 and for the numerator, this one is 0. So therefore, the degree of this numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. So the range, so we have y, elements of the real number such that y is not equal to 0. So for this given, to find the domain, so observe that there is no variable in the denominator, so therefore the domain x, element of the real numbers or all real numbers. Then to find the range, so for the range, so if the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, so from this given, the degree of the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 0. So since 1 is greater than 0, so therefore the range y, elements of the real numbers or all real numbers. So this is how to find the domain and the range of irrational functions using the shortcut method.